In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails with Whop. By the end, you'll have a clean automated email that goes out the moment someone joins your Whop, using the built-in support chats workflow. Start by heading to Whop and opening the home feed. On the left side, click your store to make sure you're working in the right place. Next, open the dashboard to access your store's management tools. Inside the dashboard, choose Support Chats. If you haven't set this up yet, click Set up Support Chats so you can configure your automated messages. On the Support Chat settings page, look for the trigger called User Joins. This trigger fires as soon as a new member is added to your Whop, making it perfect for welcome and onboarding notes. Click Enable to turn this automation on. Now craft the message that will go out when someone joins. Keep it warm and straightforward. Greet the new member, explain what they just got access to, and point them to one or two essential next steps, like where to start, how to get help, or where to find key resources. Clear, skimmable sentences work best, and it helps to lead with the single most important action you want them to take. If visuals will make your message clearer, add images or videos directly in the composer. Short clips or simple graphics can boost engagement. Just keep file sizes reasonable so everything loads quickly. To ensure the same message lands in a member's inbox, turn on Send Email to User when triggered. This mirrors the support chat's message as an email, increasing the chance they'll see it right away and refer back to it later. Before finishing, read your message out loud to check tone and clarity, verify any links, and avoid sharing private or sensitive information. When you're happy with everything, click Save to lock in your settings. That's it. You've set up an automated email in Whop that sends when a user joins. You can return to these support chat settings anytime to refine your message as your onboarding evolves.